Is your Mazda CX-5 infotainment screen going black whenever you plug in your iPhone for CarPlay? The good news is that 80% of these connectivity glitches are solved without needing a trip to the dealership. Let us break down the steps to get your display back to normal. Start by swapping your Lightning cable for an official one and performing a hard reset on the Mazda head unit. Often, an outdated iOS version or a dirty USB port prevents the handshake required for CarPlay to launch. Make sure Siri is enabled on your phone, as CarPlay requires it to function properly. If these steps fail to restore your connection, you might be looking at a hardware fault in the connectivity module. As this chart shows, the vast majority of cases are resolved by simply addressing the cable or system software. If you are technically inclined, check for firmware updates or inspect the infotainment fuse in the driver footwell. Keep a high-quality cable and some electrical contact cleaner in your glove box for quick roadside troubleshooting. Always remember that software glitches are temporary, so never rush to replace expensive hardware parts. If your screen remains black after these steps, visit your local dealer for a diagnostic check. Thanks for watching.